Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Alicia. If this is your first time here, and if not, welcome back. Okay, so we are here to do an update on this crochet braid. The tutorial is a couple videos back. I'll actually put it in the description, but I have a tendency of taking my hair down and not giving you guys an update, and then you guys get mad at me and I take offense, but I'm like, should I really take offense because I'm the one that told them that I was going to do the update, but I didn't do an update. So this is me doing an update. This is me doing an update. I wish I could have this hair in longer. I wanted to have this hair in for an entire month. But as I figured, a lot of the collaborations that I had going on with the brands at the beginning of the year got put on hold, and so now they're kicking back up. And one of those that are kicking back up require me to have my hair in a certain style. So of course this has to go down. But I just wanted to show you guys how I like unravel my hair, maintain my hair, all that kind of stuff. So we're just gonna have a quick chit chat while I get my hair ready to go out and shoot content. So let's get right into it. All right, so this is basically what my hair looks like when I go to bed at night. I have my hair twisted. This is just a standard gray headband I got from Target years ago that I keep. My hair is in like a quick bun, and then I just put a satin cap on. So this is what it looks like with my hair when I go to bed. Also, when I work out, this is what it looks like. Nothing fancy, nothing strenuous. This is when I'm tired and I don't feel like wearing my hair, this is what it looks like. Doing chores around the house, this is what it looks like. Are you getting like a pattern? This is what my hair normally looks like. So I'm just gonna take this down, and like I said, this is just a standard, like I've had this guys for years. I'll try to find it, but I like it because it goes like all the way. It's really wide. There's a girl I follow on Instagram. She has some, maybe I'll put her information down. I haven't got them before, but it's just basically a hair sleeve. This one is cotton. The one that I wear to work out is like a sateen, or it's a different one, but it's not cotton anyway. So this is what I normally keep on my hair to kind of like keep my baby hairs down and all that kind of stuff. My hair is of course twisted. I only twist my hair once every 2 to 3 days. And then, so this is what the hair looks like. My hair, it will be, it's like 2 weeks and 2 days old right now. So I thought I was gonna be able to go through 4 weeks. I did not. So this is what it looks like after 2 weeks and 4 days. I hate it because it just feels like it gets so much better the more you wear it. Anyway, so this is what my hair looks like straight out of the bun. And I don't do anything to it. I have not put anything on this hair. The only thing that I have done is I have oiled my scalp with a combination of JBCO, which is normally the oil that I put on, and then also a little tea tree oil because I've been working out a lot, doing like 2 a days. Don't ask why. I don't know. That's how bored you get when you decide to just work out twice in a day. So because of that, I've been sweating a lot, and when my scalp sweats a lot, it gets a little itchy. So I've just been putting tea tree and JBCO on my, like right in here, you know, on the scalp of my hair every 2 to 3 days. So that's it. I haven't done anything else. All I'm doing is that when you put the hair in a bun, when you take it out, it creates like these big curls. Basically, they try to get back together because you separated them when you installed it. They're trying to make friends again, and so no new friends. So I'm just separating the bigger hair or the bigger curls that have formed over me having it in a bun. I had that in a bun for probably most of the day yesterday. Got up yesterday, worked out, so it was still in a bun, came home, showered, and then didn't do anything. So it was in a bun for all of yesterday, and then this morning I got up, went and worked out, and then took a shower. So it's been in this bun for over 24 hours. So that's all I'm doing. Like I said, this hair is so maintenance free. It's just ridiculous. A lot of people are asking about, hey, do you like that part right there? You don't see it. Let me show you why. One, because I'm gonna have my hair out, but then two, I just take, like periodically, I just randomly take one of the hairs and I put one over on the other side and leave the other curl on. Basically, I separate the curls. So where you have this one, I just do that. And I just do that periodically so that when I do have the hair down, you won't obviously see. You see how that even helps it with just a little bit? So I just separate some of the curls that are on that part, and between that and my leave out, it helps it just fine. Okay, let me do my leave out. I haven't put anything on my leave out. I've put absolutely, well, yes I did. I put some leave-in spray to Shea Moisture, like the white coconut. No, it wasn't. It was the Manuka and Yogurt, their leave-in conditioner. I put that on my hair probably once a week. So I've only done it twice, which is why I didn't think I put anything on there. And I just flat twist it, taking my leave out and just kind of like swooshing it in with the crochet hair. And so that's it. Like I said, it didn't take that long at all. I'm so upset I have to. I'm upset, but then I'm not upset. I'm a little upset that I have to take this out of my hair for a collaboration. I am not upset because I still have so many packs of hair to be able to reinstall this again. So this is definitely getting reinstalled. I'm not going to show a video of it because you guys already see it, and that's just like a duplicate video. But I want to show you guys, I don't know if I showed you guys at 360. Let me do that really quick. 360, like I said, this is 2 weeks and 2 days old. So front, side, back, side, and front. So I mean, vacation's non-existent. So I haven't been able to get it wet. So I can't tell you if it's like perfect for like swimming or vacation. I know that's normally an answer. I can't give you that. Sorry. Working out works just fine. Like I said, I've been doing 2 days for the last week and a half. Haven't had any issues. You guys saw how I went to sleep. Nothing special about me going to sleep. Yeah, that's it. I hope that this little quick video helps. If I could give this hair, as I normally do with 5 stars, I would give this hair 5 stars, just because like this hair gets so much better and it looks so much more realistic the more that you wear it. I know that if I still had this hair in week 4, it would be absolutely amazing. So this is definitely something that could last for 4 weeks. Some people leave it in for more than that. If your scalp can handle that, then you go right ahead. But 4 weeks is normally the max for like any hairstyle for me. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick update for you guys. I'm gonna try to do them, especially if I say I'm going to do them in the tutorial. Like it's rude, Alicia, for you not to give the people an update. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick update. If I didn't answer a question that you have, feel free to put it in the comment section. And I'm gonna go because I've got to take some content for Instagram. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.